When it comes to drone tracking, based on research that I've read previously, it was my understanding that DJI's own implementation of Open Drone ID, which is just known as Drone ID for DJI, which is based on their OcuSync 3, was that that data is only transmitted when the drone is flying with a GPS lock, which is mandated by the FAA here in the United States, and that it was only available either using Wi-Fi, either on the 5 or 2.4 gigahertz ISM bands, or if you decoded it using an SDR on the 2.4 or 5.8 gigahertz ISM band. However, I was able to decode this using Bluetooth for my local laptop. I've only gotten a bit of the data decoded, and there's some extra troubleshooting data inside of here, but I'm working on a Python utility that'll be cross-platform and eventually have ATAK integration to allow you to track both DJI drones as well as other drones. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more as I try to figure this thing out.